Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. But I find it very interesting, for all of you who have bought a used car. Be careful that the oil level dipstick is the original one. Why am I saying this? Because we are finding ourselves, more and more times, with people who have bought a used car and add more oil, or less oil to the engine, guided by the marks on the oil level rod, and the problem is that the oil dipstick, sometimes, is not the original one. Because it has been changed, and it is either shorter or longer, okay? When you have that problem. For example, here, this dipstick is from a Ford Focus, 2000C engine, of Peugeot origin. And here the problem is that the owner added more oil. He added more oil than indicated in the car's maintenance book, which is 5 liters, and he added almost 6.5 liters, and this happened because the oil level dipstick was not original, and it was a little shorter than the original one. We realized it, because we changed the oil, and the oil mark was just above the minimum. We measured the other dipstick, and that dipstick measured 1 centimeter. Less than the one you see here, okay? It has to measure, in this case, 57.5 centimeters. This rod that you see here, the owner of a junkyard brought it. He went to a car scrapyard, and bought an original one. We put it in the engine and fixed that issue. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.